Aku por waklat ke Bynta te. Ia berok sangut ya rak senduk cengka. Tang bopet Bynta pada Friday. Kam no ke ceng car em. Tip syuk kan long kom lah dah. Yap sama mana ni.
Kikubor kapatisi TV.
Manus nam daki lakbon ki bakwa penpinda beke MBBS Henry Kindiat e ki bapas ke admission ke lapli ha Emmanuel Coaching Academy lepi join menta pinyo e ki kot bat ki e-materials kin don ru ki mock test ban pen kraya pi na benda ka neat.
Mentah kejan mit jok arfna terik ujamang arja apun rio lalap ya ke Metïap jong wei brio Tyllai fasi lalap ya ke ni dagi brio ya kai pengat hakani ke Khlaw ko bedan haki Bynta jong ulum Shyllong kat kum ke jingti beli alum la ambaki brio ya kai ke iswai ke skuti ke bedan your registration number ML not sunset new sau new wei ke bla i hapeng jong ni ke Khlaw pada bagi ya kam sarumpan kilap ban da ke Metïap Tyllai fasi Kajingti beli alum le thu brio wayap ude betre Bank of Baroda han nyau mea. Uni brio de belatip kerteng kum amor thapa basa haksnong maunyang la apar Shyllong. Kajaka balap yakni Metïap laong bakadei shaneng joka madan football sangming.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shyllong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.